Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is actually going to be a collab and I'm going to link other YouTube videos down below. I honestly feel like this eyelash is more up, but I think it's not. Anyways, so we actually did a collab on the 4 Elements. I actually wanted to go all crazy and dramatic, but I saw a sneak peek on one of their looks and I guess it was going to be more simple, like the eyes. I was actually thinking of contouring like with red and black and stuff like that, but I was like, I'll keep it simple because I don't know how dramatic they're gonna go. But since I never do like stuff like that, I wanted to go all dramatic, but no, I kept it a little bit simple. But anyways, don't forget to check out their videos out after you're done watching this video. If not, I'm gonna go hunt you down. But anyways, let's get started to this video. Guys, so I started off by doing my foundation and eyebrows off camera because I feel like I just didn't want to make this video super long. I am going to be doing my eyes red because I am the element fire, and I'm going to be using the crayons case, a box of crayons palette. So this is how it looks like. It has amazing colors. My lighting is super bright right now, so you guys can't really see the colors, but let me get close. I need to get a better camera. Anyway, so I'm gonna start doing my eyes, so keep watching. Before I start, I do want to mention I did use this Fit Me foundation from Maybelline, and I have not applied concealer yet. And I did do my eyebrows with, I believe it's Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil, because I ran out of my ColourPop pencil, and I've been using that one because I am a cheap person and I don't want to buy another one, because I don't like any high brands. You guys need to recommend me a high brand that I would like. I've been through every single eyebrow pencil and I don't like any eyebrow pencil, just ColourPop. Anyways, before I get started, I do want to use Banana from Christine Dominique because it's a great transition color. I love it. Like, this palette is amazing. I did say it had too much fallout, but I guess the fallout is because if a palette has great pigmentation, it has a lot of fallout. I don't know if that's true, but someone commented and said it. Maybe they saw it somewhere. So I don't know if it's true, but this palette has really good pigmentation, but it has a lot of fallout. So then I'm going to go with my box of crayons and I'm going to grab tan. I don't know. I'm like stuttering. I don't know if I'm going to be pointing out to the colors. But I mean, this one's blue, green, red, yellow, black, brown, tan, pink, purple, baby blue, violet, orange, magenta, white, silver, gold, deep plum, lime green. I mean, it's kind of easy to know if you guys are trying to use this palette to recreate a look, to see what colors I'm using, or to get an idea, like, because I suck at showing you guys. So I'm going to be applying, like, literally I don't know what I'm going to be doing. I think I'm going to make it soft. I wanted to go dramatic and contour like red and stuff, but I was like, I saw Glam Mom Des makeup sneak peek of what she did, and it was a simple blue cute look. So I was like, okay, that I'll keep it simple and cute. That way I could go out after this and I don't have to redo my whole face. So I was like, okay, I could do that. So I don't know if Jane and Patty, I believe it is, it's gonna go all crazy, but I know me and Glam Mom Des aren't gonna go all crazy. And I thought of going all crazy, but then I was like, never mind. So I think I'm gonna use brown just to make the red pop. So I'm gonna start with tan again. I guess I'm going to be using tan. So now I'm going to be going in with red. Really quick. I never record videos because someone's always home, someone always does something, so I'm gonna have an aunt come right over. So if you guys hear chit-chatting, TV, screaming, that's the reason why. I'm gonna try my best to talk louder to make this video good, but it's gonna be hard. especially with Hispanic family. Okay, so I grabbed the red. Same thing to this side, and then I'll be back. So I'm going to be grabbing the color silver. I'm going to add orange. So now I'm going to grab purple or black glitter. Honestly, this looks black. I don't know if it's purple. And I'm going to try my best to make a straight line. And I don't even know if I want to do this in the camera. So honestly, the only glitter thing I have, because I stopped using glitters a long time ago, the first thing I would use for makeup was glitter pens, because I wasn't allowed to use makeup and I would put glitter pens all over my eyes. So I'm going to be grabbing this so I could grab some of the product. I am going to applying some falsies. I did put a little bit of black underneath right here, and then I'm going to put orange after I put concealer and the setting powder, because I feel like if I do it now it's going to be pointless because I'm going to mess it up. So first I am going to be putting falsies, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that that's set, I am going to be using concealer, and this is from Wet n Wild. Okay, so for setting powder, I'm going to be using Patrick Stars from MAC. I don't know what the hell I did right there. If you guys are going to follow this step. Okay, so I'm going to be grabbing the contouring contour color from Kenya Sculpturing Kit to contour the little papada. Okay, so for blush, I'm going to be using the one from Tarte. So now I'm going to be getting so now I'm going to be getting my over highlight. I'm going to be grabbing some mascara from Marc Jacobs, and I actually like to apply a little bit on my lashes, even though I already had a little bit of mascara. So for a lipstick, I'm going to use a black color. I don't know why, I just am. And this is from Measurable Difference. Let me know what you guys think down below. I think we're done, guys. I don't know what you guys think. I actually wanted to be more creative and do like red all over me, but I was like, you know, maybe it's just like, you know, the eye look like fire, like red. I didn't get super dramatic with the red, which I think I should have. But this is how it came out. Ooh. I forgot to add a highlight here. That was pretty much it for this video. This is the final look. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys like this collab. Don't forget to check out their videos. I'm going to link them down below. And well, that was pretty much it for this video. I thought this video was going to be a challenge. And I thought it was going to be more of the eye look. So I was like, let me just do my eye and not contour. I was going to contour like with red instead of brown. Because I thought we were going to go dramatic. I don't know if Jane and them are going to go dramatic. But at least me and Destiny kept it simple. But yes, that was pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys subscribe down below if you guys aren't subscribed. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.